Another day, another English lesson. If I had, would you have? Past alternatives. Hi everyone. In this lesson, we're going to look at a very useful question form in English. It's called a past conditional. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. We're going to learn how to ask someone what they would have done if you had done something different in the past. The question form is, if I had, plus past participle, would you have, plus past participle? This structure is great when you want to talk about past alternatives, things that didn't happen, but you're curious what the other person would have done. Let's break it down. The first part, if I had, is about something you didn't do in the past. The second part, would you have, asks what the other person might have done if the first part had happened. Here's the full pattern. If I had, plus past participle, would you have, plus past participle. Let's look at an example. If I had invited you to the party, would you have come? This means, I didn't invite you. But I'm asking, would you have come if I had? We're imagining a different past, something that didn't happen, and asking a polite, curious question about it. Another example. If I had told you the secret, would you have kept it? I didn't tell you, but I want to know if you would have kept it if I had. This form is not for real situations. It's for past situations that didn't happen. So to sum up, use if I had, would you have, to talk about past situations that didn't happen, and to ask someone how they might have reacted. It's a great way to be polite, reflect on the past, or just start an interesting conversation. Now, complete the sentences with the past participles of the verbs in parentheses. Sometimes the verbs are not in the correct order.
If I had brought an extra umbrella, would you have used it?
Yes, of course. I was completely soaked.
If I had sent you the address, would you have found the cafe?
No, I still would have gotten lost. It was hard to find.
If I had bought 2 tickets, would you have come with me?
Yes, that would have been fun. I had no plans that night.
If I had made pasta, would you have eaten with us?
Yes, of course. I love pasta.
If I had called you last night, would you have answered?
No, my phone was off. I went to bed early. If I had waited at the station, would you have arrived on time?
Yes, I was just 5 minutes behind you.
If I had told you about the meeting, would you have gone?
Yes, I wanted to be there but didn't know the time.
If I had saved you a seat, would you have sat next to me?
Maybe, if I had seen you, I ended up in the back row.
If I had taken a photo, would you have smiled?
Yes, but only a small smile. I was a little tired.
If I had invited you to the party, would you have come?
No, I was out of town that weekend.
Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language lessons.